To tech tutorial. Today we are going to see how to install .NET Core 8 in Apple Mac machine. Okay, so to earlier I have added one more video to install Visual Studio 2022 on Mac. In case anyone wanted to see, please go through that video. I have given the link in the description. Okay, after installing Visual Studio 2022, by default it will have Visual .NET Core 3.1 and 5 version, which is out of support already. So today this video we are going to see how to install .NET Core 8 in Visual Studio in Mac machine. For that, go to google.com, then type .NET Core download or .NET Core download. Okay, then you see the first link, .NET download Linux Microsoft link, .NET.microsoft.com. Just click on that link and you can see the latest version currently is .NET 8.0, which has the long-term support. You can download based on your configuration. This one M1 chip, so I am going to download this .NET SDK ARM64 Apple Silicon, or you can see all the versions, all .NET versions here. Just click on this, you can see. Okay, also you can install .NET 6 also, which has the long-term support, which will be ended by November 12, 2024, and this one has long-term support 8, it has till 2026. So this one today we are going to see this .NET 8.0. You can click on this link. This 8.0.2 is the latest version. It's the security patch. Since we are going for Mac OS M1 chip, you need to use ARM64. In case it's Intel chip, you can use x64. Selecting ARM64. As soon as we click, it will come to this page. By right, the download will start automatically. In case if you didn't see anything, just click here manual automatically. As soon as you click, there will be a download will happen, and you can see this has 218 MB. Based on your network speed, it will take a couple of minutes. Let's wait for this to complete. Downloaded, and you can see 218 MB. So I'll go to my download folder. I can see this .NET SDK 2.0.1 ARM.pkg file. Just double click, so it will open up a window where you can click continue, and in case if you want to go through this link, you can just go through or just click continue, and it will be installed automatically. Just you may need to install your Mac password. Just click it. This will take a couple of seconds to install. Once install, it will be ready for Visual Studio 2022 to use .NET 8.0 2.8 .NET Core 8. Okay, just click close. Once you click close, it will ask either to keep so far this one. Since I have installed, I will just click move to pane. Now go to applications. You can in case if you open Visual Studio before, you need to restart. Just I am going to like applications. Just double click Visual Studio, install Visual Studio 2022 startup. Okay, I think it's starting up. Okay, it came. Now I can click new. Okay, then either you can go app and console, app, console application. In case if you choose anything recently, it will come, or you go to app, select console application, continue, and you can see .NET 7. So the one just now we installed .NET Core 8, but we do not see it here, right? Because we have .NET 6 and .NET 7. .NET 6 already have long-term support, and .NET 7 we have short-term support only. So our goal is to see the .NET Core 8.0 here, right? For that we need to enable one settings. Just click back, you can click cancel this one, and Visual Studio menu in the top, see Visual Studio, then you select preferences, and in the preferences you go all the way down. There will be other inside other there will be preview features. See, use the .NET SDK installed, request restart. Just select. Once you select, either click OK, but you need to restart Visual Studio. As soon as you select it, show a button here to restart Visual Studio. Just click, so it will just restart Visual Studio only. As soon as it happened, you see, opened again. Now I click new, go to app, console application, continue. Okay, now you can see .NET 8.0 is coming up now. Okay, now what you need to do is you can click continue, project name demo1. I will be storing this under downloads, open, okay, create. Okay, now you can see the console application got created. This is the 8.NET Core 8 way of, we don't have any program or main projects, main class, main method. So you just click start. As soon as it start, a terminal window will be opened. Hello world here. Okay, you can add any other console also. Just save, then run. You can see both the testing here. Okay, and in case if you want to see the terminal also, you can just go to terminal window, just command tab, command space, you click terminal, you will open a terminal window. You can just type .NET. Okay, you can see all the .NET options, .NET and path to application DLL. If you see this, then your .NET is installed successfully. No need to do anything. In case if it's showing .NET external internal command not found, then let me know in the comment section. I will share some steps to do that. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe and click bell icon to get latest videos in the notification. Thank you.